posso figurare che questa la notte, che scurda, che non si è coperta che da romani. Dirti, no? E che non me, è pure vuoi. Non vuole niente che fa quando sta mamma o vecchia.
Why can't mommy sit here? Why do I have to sit there?
Well, quello dopo tu mi dici get up.
And then he wants me to get up.
Yeah.
Nonna, sit down.
No, you want you sit down. Oh, you sit down.
Where do you want mommy to sit down? You want me to sit down here? Or I'll sit down here. Okay.
Daddy, ha sentito la voce. You hear the voice, eh?
Don't you feed the doggy. Mommy said no feeding the doggy.
They had a car seat that was the same color. And there were two snaps on the side that when you put it in, it actually fit right in there. And then it wouldn't come out, and so I had to like, figure out. So it was the exact.
That's what I'm saying. That's the set I wanted.
Look at it. How many things have we gotten off Craigslist? You know, to keep it for another year. Come on, Griffin, we gotta go.
Come on, we're going bye-byes.
Come on.
Bye-byes. What are you doing? Looking for your shoes? Nonna has your shoes. Yeah, they're up here. Your shoes. You're right. You're right. Go bring your shoes. Go. I know. Go give your shoes to Nonna. Go ahead.
I mean, Luz, anyway, we'll just get the connection to the bus.